And IoT is number one, uh, very inexpensive because do not, in most cases, you do not even need to put wires.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi minsan, in the old technology, actually technology that's still being used right now, you have a sensor, let's say a building, you have temperature sensors or smoke detectors just to make sure that there's no fire, di ba?
Yeah.
Smoke detector. Now, these are all connected by wires going to an FDAS or a fire detection solution. Ang mahal. But then if you are to IoTize it, the sensors, dikit ka lang ng dikit and it's done. Mas mahal pa kasi usually ang wiring and the labor and the maintenance.